Unlock the wonders of our incredible solar system. Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's really out there? Prepare to embark on an extraordinary journey through our solar system, a cosmic neighborhood brimming with fascinating planets, moons, asteroids, and so much more. Get ready to have your mind blown. Our solar system is a vast and complex region of space, held together by the immense gravity of our Sun. It's home to 8 recognized planets, countless dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, and moons, each with its own unique story to tell. Let's begin our exploration. The Sun, a giant ball of hot gas, sits at the center, providing light and warmth to all the celestial bodies that orbit it. It's the engine that drives our solar system, influencing everything from planetary orbits to weather patterns. Without the Sun, life as we know it wouldn't exist. The inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are characterized by their rocky compositions and relatively small sizes. They are much closer to the Sun, and therefore warmer than the outer planets. Let's take a closer look at each one. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, is a small, heavily cratered world with extreme temperature variations. It has virtually no atmosphere to trap heat, resulting in scorching days and freezing nights. Imagine a world of fire and ice. Venus, often called Earth's sister planet, is shrouded in a thick, toxic atmosphere that traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Its surface is hidden beneath dense clouds, concealing a volcanic landscape. It's a truly hellish environment. Earth, our home, is a unique planet teeming with life. It has liquid water, a breathable atmosphere, and a diverse range of ecosystems. It's the only known place in the universe where life exists. We must protect this precious planet. Mars, the red planet, has long captivated our imaginations with the possibility of past or present life. It has a thin atmosphere, polar ice caps, and evidence of ancient rivers and lakes. Future missions aim to uncover its secrets. Beyond the asteroid belt lie the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are much larger than the inner planets and are primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. They are truly colossal worlds. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a swirling ball of gas with a giant red spot, a storm that has raged for centuries. It has dozens of moons, including the 4 Galilean moons discovered by Galileo Galilei. It's a planet of immense power and beauty. Saturn is famous for its stunning rings, composed of ice and rock particles. It also has numerous moons, including Titan, which has a thick atmosphere and liquid methane lakes. Saturn is a truly majestic planet. Uranus is an ice giant that rotates on its side, possibly due to a collision with a large object in the distant past. It has a faint ring system and several moons. It's a unique and mysterious world. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, is a cold and windy world with a deep blue color. It has a dynamic atmosphere with powerful storms and a faint ring system. It's a planet of extreme conditions. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy bodies, including Pluto, which is now classified as a dwarf planet. The Kuiper Belt is a vast reservoir of comets and other icy objects. It's the frontier of our solar system. Beyond the Kuiper Belt lies the Oort cloud, a theoretical sphere of icy bodies that surrounds our solar system. It is believed to be the source of long-period comets. The Oort cloud is the ultimate boundary of our solar system. Humanity has been exploring the solar system for decades, sending probes and rovers to study the planets, moons, and asteroids. These missions have provided invaluable data and images, expanding our understanding of our cosmic neighborhood. The future of space exploration is bright. Future missions will focus on searching for life beyond Earth, studying the origins of the solar system, and developing technologies for human exploration of Mars and beyond. The possibilities are endless. Join us as we continue to explore the cosmos. Our solar system is a place of incredible beauty, mystery, and wonder. From the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy depths of Neptune, each planet has its own unique story to tell. We hope this journey has inspired you to learn more about the cosmos. Now it's your turn to explore. Research a planet that interests you, visit a planetarium, or simply look up at the night sky and marvel at the wonders of the universe. Share what you've learned with others, and inspire them to join the cosmic adventure.